What's up, you guys? It's November, and that means Christmas. And in the 3D printing world, Christmas prints. And in today's video, Sunlu has been so kind and generous in sending me this giant stack of filaments. So we need to go find some models, but first, let's get to the unboxing. Get inside of these boxes and see what we're working with. All right, we've got red. And one cool thing about these new Sunlu filaments, they have new spools. I don't know about their refill rolls and how that works, but apparently these new spools you can reuse. Ooh, okay, so looks like a gold. Green. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. This one is red copper. I'm really excited about this one. Next is white. And then the last one, silver. All right, so we've got bronze, gold, and silver. All right, so we've got a good variety of filaments here. I'm really excited about the bronze. And I really like that I have red, green, and white because I can come up with some cool Christmas prints, I think. So we've seen the filaments. Let's head upstairs and start finding some fun models. All right, computer time. Let's go find some models on Maker World. Okay, so I've actually been very excited for the Christmas prints on Maker World. I've done a little scrolling ahead of time, and I know there's a lot of cool things out there for us to print. So I love this. I will definitely be printing this because I have all of these colors and I have the gold for the star. All right, everything appears to be fine. So we will definitely print that one. Ooh, I love this. I don't really have any matte colors, but maybe the gold, silver, bronze. Maybe. I've printed more by this guy. Definitely in the Halloween, the pumpkins. I printed some pumpkins by this guy, and I really like them, so we will definitely collect that one for Christmas. Let's go up here and just search Christmas. It's very popular. Oh my goodness! The Christmas present box. Not a ton of grams. We'll collect the Christmas box. I think it's very cute. Oh, the reindeer. Super cute. I've already collected it, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna print some ornaments, I think. I need to print some ornaments. Do they print well? Yes. Okay. Collect for Christmas. I love Christmas prints. Oh, that's super cute. I'm literally collecting everything. Skipper! That is kind of a lot of grams. But I have grams to spare. I'll collect it, and if possible, I'll give this a try because that's really, really cool. All right, I have collected so many things. I have plenty to start printing. So I'm gonna head into Bamboo Studio, I'm gonna start preparing some files, and let's get to printing. After seeing all of those fun Christmas prints on Maker World, I decided it was time for me to try my hand at some 3D sculpting using Nomad. Now, I am a beginner when it comes to 3D sculpting, but thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare, it was incredibly easy. With thousands of classes led by industry experts, Skillshare reigns as the largest online community for creatives. Whether you're interested in 3D modeling, photography, writing, filmmaking, marketing, whatever your interests are, they have professional, easy-to-follow classes to suit your needs. And if you're wanting more out of your learning experience, or maybe you just don't know where to start, Skillshare has created learning paths, which are collections of classes curated by professionals in the field to help you go from beginner to advanced in no time. There's no thinking about, am I taking the right class? What class should I be taking next? Skillshare has handled everything for you. All you have to do is start learning. And so the first 500 people that use the link in my description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So let's get started today, and let's learn something together. Now, let's get to printing. I love it! I am about to print so many of these. All right, you guys, I have finally finished printing all of the fun Christmassy prints. I think I found some cool stuff for you guys. I'm about to take the last thing off the printer, and then we're ready to start gluing. We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. An actual working Ferris wheel. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So the parts of the rope just like slide down in the gaps, which is super cool. It's a day later, and I'm finally ready to show you guys the prints. The glue is dried, they're looking good. Let's get into the reveal. First, we'll start out with the free Maker World models, and then we'll get into some of the paid models that I found as well. Anything that you see in the video, as long as they're still available online, I will make sure that they are linked in the description in case you guys want to print them for yourselves at home. First up, we've got this little fidget tree kind of thing that expands into a nice Christmas tree. I think the green color looks amazing on this. This is a really fun little fidget toy if you wanted to keep it on your desk and play with it while you're at work or something, but pretty cute little fidget model. I like it. Next, we've got these spiral decorations, I guess. They're super cool. I love them. I've definitely printed something by this designer in the past. Pretty cool that they're free. I think they make pretty decent decorations. I don't know if you can scale them up. I remember reading, I think, that you cannot scale them up or else it'll mess up something in the design. They have a file for the small one and they have a file for the large one, and I printed them both. And I ended up loving this bronze. It printed very nice, very smooth and clean, and I think it looks good on a lot of these Christmas decorations. Another piece that I printed in the bronze, which I love, is this giant ornament holder thing. You can put stuff in here like a pencil holder, a candy holder, whatever. You can put it on your desk. It's very nice. I think it's actually pretty popular. I've seen it in like all the Facebook groups that I'm a part of. So free on Maker World. Go find this one. It prints in parts, so single color printer capable. I like this design a lot. Next up for Maker World are these little reindeer, and I think they are adorable. I printed them in the gold and the silver, and I printed them in 2 different sizes as well. Super cool. These are cute. They do print with supports, but the supports were pretty easy to get off, and they didn't leave too bad scarring. The reindeer. Super cute little decorations. Next up, still from Maker World, still for free, these cute little Christmas trees. They're like fuzzy and crazy, and I loved them. I printed 5 of them, so many, so that I could have a little forest of trees, and they are so adorable. They printed easily. I did not try scaling them up, so if you wanted to print them bigger, try it out. I don't know if it would work, but this size, whatever the base generic size is that they come with, printed great. No issues, and I think they're very pretty with this sunlit green. Another fun model, and the first ornament. I printed 2 actual ornaments, and these are the first that I printed, and I really love them. I personally do a blue and white Christmas tree, so neither of these will be going on my tree, but I will be printing more of them in appropriate colors for my Christmas tree. Probably all shades of blue, white, silver, actual silver. Maybe I'll add this one to it, because that gray would look pretty good on my tree, but pretty cool design on these. I love these ornaments. I'm excited to print more. for my own tree. The last ornament that I printed is this one, which are cool. And I didn't end up printing them in the white, which I'm very sad about because I think the white would have looked incredible, but here we are. So I got a gold and I got a bronze, and I think they turned out very nice. Some stringing that I kind of need to still blast off with my mini torch, but besides that, I think they turned out great. No issues with printing, stuck to the bed fine. And one thing that I really do like about the gold, the side that was face down on the plate actually has a sparkly finish, of course, with the textured plate, but it looks really good and brings a little bit extra to the gold filament. So I like that one. You don't really see it as much on the bronze because it's already shiny, but it doesn't take anything away from the design. It still looks really cool. So I'm into the bronze and I like the sparkly effect on the gold. So these are cool. Maybe print them bigger, see if it works, because they're kind of small, but still cute nonetheless. All right, and the last free model from Maker World is this cute little box. So it's printed in parts. You have to glue on the red part and the bow, but it's a super easy print. I should have maybe used a bit more glue than I did because it's kind of coming off, but I have a cool plan for what I want to do with these boxes. So if you saw my last video, it was the day in the life where I made the airless football for the school that I used to teach at. And while I was there, I talked to the admin, the staff, and I want to give back a little bit heading into Christmas. So I'm going to be printing more of these boxes, at least 10 of them. I'm not sure how many yet, as many as I can get done. And I'm going to fill them with toys and flexies and fun, cute little 3D prints that the kids would like. And then they are free to use them however they would like. I think that'll be really fun. So this is a decent sized box. You can kind of fit quite a bit in here. So I'm gonna go and find some of the cooler flexies. I've got some possums printed, I've got some of the minis by Zoo 3D printed, and I'm just gonna fill these boxes and give them to the school and let them give them out for Christmas or whatever they want to do. So I'm sure I'll end up making a video about that in the future. So if you're into that, you wanna see the results, make sure you're subscribed. But yeah, the box. And the last free model, which I can't believe is actually free, he should be charging for these, is the Ferris wheel by Skipper. I love this model so much, and I had a lot of fun printing it and gluing it and putting it together and just seeing the actual thing come to life. It was a lot of fun. It's really cool because it actually spins. These little cars on the inside actually move around. It's a phenomenal model. There are a lot of color changes, so you do need an AMS to be able to print it, but it's worth it. This thing's really cool. I would give it to my son Henry, but I have a feeling that as soon as I got it in his little hands, he would start to rip the thing apart. So it'll probably be a display piece for now, and then as he gets a little older, he'll be able to enjoy the models like we can. And that concludes the free models on Maker World. Now let's look at some of the fun paid models that I was able to find. The first model I found was by Tactical Chaos on Cults 3D. It is this cute little tree box thing. It's like the little tasty cakes. So it like snaps together. I don't really want to snap it because it snaps really, really well, but it has like little notches in it so that you can keep it closed and it'll hold things, which I think this would be super cute to put minis in or something if you're wanting to give this as a gift to someone. It might even hold like a gift card or something. So it'd be a cute way to just jazz up your Christmas gifts just a little bit more for like family, friends, coworkers, things like that. But super cute. I love this box. It printed well. He also gives you different sizes. So this is the largest or the deepest box that he has. There was a medium and a small as well. And then there are 3 different types of lids that you can choose. There's this one that has like the raised bumps on it. And then this lid that does not have the raised bumps. So it's flat all the way across, but super cool design. I printed 2 of them just to see the difference between the raised bumps and the hollow bumps. So I'm into these boxes. Maybe I'll work these in as part of my gifts for the school as well, especially since I've already got 2 of them printed. And last we have, no! All right, I got too excited there. And last we have these cute houses by PA1 Maker. That's just gonna stay on the floor this time. So I originally saw these houses posted in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in. Not sure which one, but it led me to his cults and I found these incredible houses. So there were 5 in the pack that I ended up buying for this print or this video, and I was able to print 2 of them. All 5 would have been amazing, but it took me longer than I wanted to, and I needed to wrap up the video at some point. So I've got 2 to show you. The other 3 are equally as incredible, and I will probably print them as well. He does market these kind of as like townhouses for Matchbox cars, which is super cool because my son is really into Matchbox cars, and as soon as he is ready to start pretending and playing with things like this, I'm very excited to show these to him because he's gonna love them. Today, he'd rip it apart, but maybe in a month or 2, he'll be into them. But really cool design, really fun print and build, super cool. Check out PA1 Maker. And that's what we've got for our first Christmas prints video. There may be another one because I'm sure between now and December 25th, there's gonna be a lot cooler things coming out. You guys are designing things all the time. I'm constantly seeing things that I need to go and print, so hopefully next month, if I can squeeze it in, I'll be able to show you guys another batch of really fun Christmas prints. But that's all we've got for this one. Thank you to Sunlu for sending me the filaments so I can make the video. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring the video so that I can continue to make these for you guys. And thank you to you guys for watching and my patrons for the support. Without y'all, I would have none of this. So thank you very much. I'm very appreciative. That's all we've got for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.